Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tsholo Phoka. On this video, I'm gonna be doing a bit of a challenge. It's gonna be this Revlon hairdryer brush versus this Logic normal hairdryer with a comb. So let's see who's gonna be the winner. This is side A and this is side B. I'm also going to be using this Lee Stafford heat protectant shine mist. I love this heat protectant. It actually also makes your hair shiny while also protecting it from the heat of the blow dryers. So which side do you think used the Logic hair dryer with the comb using the tension method, and which side is the Revlon hair dryer brush? So let's see which side is going to win. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. So let's get into this video. So on this video, you guys will decide the winner. Leave in the comment section which hairdryer you prefer. And don't forget to use a heat protectant every time you use heat on your hair. I'm going to be blow drying my hair on freshly washed, detangled and also deep conditioned hair. Do watch my video on how to wash your natural hair if you haven't already. This Revlon Salon one-step hairdryer and styler is a brush connected to a hairdryer. I've had this hairdryer brush for 2 years now. It has been an hour now that I have washed my hair, but I'm still going to dry my hair with the old t-shirt because we do not want to use a lot of heat. I spray the heat protectant on my hand just to have control of the product when I put it on my hair, and then I'm just going to smooth it down my hair. I'm going to put the heat setting on 1 because I do not want to use excess heat. And 1 should be enough because I've already let my hair dry a bit and also used an old t-shirt just to dry it more. When starting to brush my hair, I start at the bottom, at the ends, and then I make my way up to the roots where the hair is thicker. When I get to the root, I'm just going to slide it down. My hair is already detangled, so you can see it's easy for me to brush my hair. There's no problem or tangles. So every time you blow dry your hair, ensure that it is detangled to make it easier for you and to use less heat and cause less damage. So I'll just repeat the steps on this side, side A, and then see what will end up with the results. It's so easy to use this brush. It took me 8 minutes to complete this look, and also it was easy for me to comb through the hair as well as dry the hair. It's not too dry and the hair still feels soft. Because this brush is a large paddle and has a lot of bristles, you can see that it makes your hair more thicker, it causes more volume. So that's what I like about this brush. And also I love that the bristles on the brush are smooth and they do not cause damage on your hair. I detangled my hair before, so you see there is no hair or tangles on the brush. So we're moving on to side B, which is going to be the normal hairdryer side. This is the Logic hairdryer and it has 1800 in wattage strength. I'm also going to be using this hairdryer on setting 1. A heat protectant is always a necessity. To blow dry my hair, I use the tension method. I'm gonna stretch my hair using my hand while I blow dry my hair until it's a bit dry. And then when it's dry, I'm just gonna comb through it once with a comb. This method is less manipulation on the hair because you do not have to comb through the hair multiple times while you heat styling it. When I comb my hair, I start at the bottom and then go up to the roots. That's normally how I just comb my hair. Crazy result, huh? I didn't expect the hairdryer side to be longer because I haven't used a hairdryer in years. I've had this hairdryer for about 10 years, so I haven't been using it that much, and I only heat style my hair or blow dry my hair once per year. The normal hairdryer side is clearly more flatter and straighter because I'm only using a comb, not a brush, so it doesn't sparse out, it only goes straight down. Detangling your hair before you blow dry your hair makes life easy because you do not have to do much to your hair, manipulate it too much or use too much heat to make it straighter or puffier. So it took me 18 minutes to complete the normal hairdryer side. So that means it would take me approximately more than half the time it took to do the hairbrush side to complete this look. It's very neat, shiny, and also still smooth, so I didn't overheat my hair. So what do you think, guys? Pick your fighter. So these are the results. The hairdryer brush side is a bit fuller, it's shorter, and it's neat. Both of the sides are neat, so I'll give them that. And it took me 10 minutes to do this side, which is side A, the hairdryer brush side. And then the normal hairdryer side, which I used the Logic hairdryer as well as a comb using tension method, took me about 18 minutes. And the side is longer, it's a bit thinner, but it's actually, the volume is quite similar. And then it's also neat, so I'll give it that. And it took me 18 minutes to do this tension method side. So which side do you guys like, side A or side B? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye.